Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. In this video, we will take a look about Bitcoin. The daily update for Bitcoin is here. What's going on with Bitcoin? Fear and Greed Index is telling us we have greed in the market. 75 points today, 71 points yesterday, 74 points greed last week, and 91 points extreme greed on last month. So we have a lot of greed in the market. Okay, that's for sure. Bitcoin is going to the upside. Bitcoin is mooning. Here is Bitcoin. Today, a plus about 0.77%. Okay, that's not mooning, but it's a little bit. On 7 days, it's going sideways, a little bit down here. You can see it. We have a red bearish chart here. Ethereum is going up a little bit more as Bitcoin today. Look at this, 1.59%. It's going up, but it's going down a little bit more as Bitcoin on 7 days. Interesting. We have also a bearish chart here for Ethereum. The Binance coin is going up with 1.77%, and on the weekly also going down with 1.46%, and also a red picture here for Binance coin. ADA today is going down, but in the weekly it's going up very nicely. Polkadot is going up in the weekly. Also XRP it's going up very nice today. Look at this. It's now at 52 cents, 10%, near 10% up going XRP. Very interesting. 13% in the week. Uniswap 4% for the day. Litecoin is going up a little bit, but in the week Litecoin is going down here a lot. Look at this here. Chainlink is going up a little bit in the week also. What's going on with XLM? XLM today a pump. You can see it here. I will show you XLM very soon here after Bitcoin. Pump today 7% and in the week 5.7%. So guys, that's the picture. One interesting thing is also here the Bitcoin dominance is 60.4%. You can see it here on this upper side. 60.4%. Ethereum dominance 11.6%. So nothing changed here, really, not really extreme here. You can see it 61% Bitcoin, Ethereum 11.8%, and it's going sideways here with the dominance. Nothing big here. No altcoin season. Momently, we will see what's going on here. So, what's going on with the quick overview? Guys, everything is telling us buy Bitcoin. The 1 day, the 4 hours is telling us strong buy. The 1 hour is telling us buy and strong buy. The 50 minutes is telling us strong buy. So everything is telling us here on the TA of Tradingview, the time frames from 50 minutes to 1 day, everything is telling us buy Bitcoin. Now, here it is. Here it is, the chart picture of Bitcoin. And look at this. This is our triangle or our diamond pattern. It doesn't matter. It's a pattern, and we need a breakout or a breakdown here. A break up or break down. And you can see we are in a nice uptrend. In this screen, nice uptrend, very nice. We have the resistance line as middle line. That's our resistance. You can see some things here. We had a fake out of Bitcoin. I think a lot of people bought here, or they used a buy position here and they bought automatically, or they bought here because of this trade of this fake out here. So Bitcoin is down in the triangle again. It's still in this uptrend. So as long as Bitcoin is in the uptrend and over this Fibonacci line 61.8 at 58,000, yes, everything is okay, everything is nice. If Bitcoin will break down of this uptrend, it may retest here this bottom line of the triangle or of the diamond pattern. What else? So if it will break down, this would be a perfect buy position here on the downside for a possible pump to the upside. Or you need a stop loss under this line if Bitcoin will break through this line. Everything is telling us, everyone is telling us, no, Bitcoin is mooning. Price target 300,000, 1 million, whatever. But always, guys, you need always to be patient about this. You have to know it can go up, it can go down. No one can predict to you, but you can use this patterns here, this triangle pattern for your trade or for your short or for a long position. So here, momently, it's not a bad place to set a short position. If you would like to short Bitcoin, here is momently not a bad thing here to short it. Why? because we have the resistance over our head, over us, and if Bitcoin will break out to the upside, you can set a stop loss and you have a little bit loss. But if it's going down from here, and it's possible to touch it again, this line here, you have a very nice short position. And if it's Bitcoin will break through this line here, you have a very, very nice long short position. So okay, what's going on with the MACD? We have the 1 hour chart here. MACD is bullish, blue line over the brown line. You can see it here on the downside, so everything is okay with the MACD. What's going on with the ribbon band? Ribbon band working nicely as a support. Everything is okay. Everything is telling us, damn, Bitcoin break out from here in the next few seconds, and let's go to the moon, let's go to the sky. We have a clear breakout target. If this is the triangle 67,000, that's the clear breakout target. For me, very likely this Fibonacci line, also the 161.8% Fibonacci line, 67,168. That's a very nice target if this triangle will break out to the upside. Attention, attention, we have an all-time high here. This was the 61,800. That's very important. That's working as a resistance. You should pay attention to it. And we have the very, very, very important 78.6 Fibonacci line here with 60,000. That's this line here. That's a very big, big important line here. If Bitcoin may break out from here and it breaks over this line, I think it's very possible to see 67,000 very, very soon. Okay, that's the big thing. So if you're asking me, I'm more bullish as bearish for this. I think it's a thing of hours maybe to break out to the upside here. Maybe, and that's a big thing, attention, attention, maybe we see a fake out to the downside again to wash out the stop losses here. That's very possible, or another fake out to the upside. So attention guys, that's a very important point now for Bitcoin. Stay alert and keep watching here. Okay, that's the 1 hour chart. Now let's go out a little bit guys. What's going on in the 4 hour chart? Ribbon band, very nice big support here. MACD bullish, blue line over the brown line. Everything is telling us you should moon Bitcoin. You should moon. Why you're not mooning here? So okay, damn Biti, what are you doing here? So that's better. Now, okay, that's the 4 hour chart, and on the daily chart, everything is also looking fine if we are looking at this here. On the daily chart, I have a little problem here with the RSI. I will show it very quick here, the relative strength index. And yes, guys, you know it, you know my problems here. The RSI is going to the downside. This also forming here a triangle. I will show you here. Highest side, a line to the downside like this, and a line from the downside to the upside like this. So you can see it's also forming a triangle, and I think this RSI is very, very important now for the breakout point for Bitcoin. You should watch also the RSI here on the 1 hour chart, very important. On the daily chart, guys, we have another problem with the RSI. You can see it here. Let me zoom out here a little bit. We have the bearish divergence here. This one here. This line is going to the downside on the RSI, and the volume, the price, not the volume, the price is going to the upside for Bitcoin. That's our big thing we have to watch on the big picture, guys. We have a bearish divergence here. So we have a lot of things to view. Let's check quick the 15-minute chart again. What's going on here on the 15-minute chart? A lot of drawings, a lot of colors, okay? So we are in here again. And the bad thing was, guys, we had a breakout, and we had a confirmed breakout on the 15-minute chart. But it's important, the 15-minute chart, it's not so important as a 1 hour chart. We need a breakout, we need a confirmed breakout on the 1 hour chart and not on the 15-minute chart, guys. So Bitcoin is now fighting again with the Fibonacci line and is about to break out over this. This 50% Fibonacci line is a big resistance momently for Bitcoin. So if we can break out very quick, here are the targets. The first target is 60,000. That's the Fibonacci line. 61.8 Fibonacci. The next big target, if it's going on here, this is the next resistance. Watch this. This is the middle line. The middle line of this nice uptrend. Next here 61,000, the next resistance, and the big resistance here, the next one 61,700. That's the 78.6 Fibonacci line, and the all-time high, also a big resistance 63,000. And if we clear these targets here, guys, it's possible to moon up from here to our breakout target 67,000. To the downside, if it's going to the downside, what's going on? What is the point to watch? For me, an important point is going to the downside. We have here on the 50-minute chart, this is the EMA 200 coming from the downside. You can see it's working here since long time as a support line. So the first thing is clear. This point here is our first support here. That's the bottom of the uptrend, 58,600. The next point is our EMA 200, or the next Fibonacci 38%, 58,000. The next thing to watch to the downside on the 15-minute chart is this point. That's the Fibonacci line, 23.6%. And then the biggest thing ever to watch is momently this point here. That's the downside of our triangle, or of our diamond pattern. Guys, I had a video out there from yesterday with the diamond pattern. Take a look at this, a very long video, 20 minutes, but I showed you the very it's very important to see the diamond pattern, how to draw it and how to set the targets here. Okay, guys, that's the big picture. That's the update, the daily update for Bitcoin. It doesn't matter, guys, if you're going long or if you're going short. I wish you make all millions out there, guys, with your trade. One thing, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Always I can give you my informations and my acknowledge, but this is not a financial advice. Thanks for watching. Keep calm, guys, and have a nice day. Greetings, yours BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.